Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace interior door handle on Mazda CX-7. We'll be demonstrating on the driver's side. Passenger side will be about the same. And I think the rear doors will be a very close procedure as well. So stay with us guys, we'll need to go ahead and remove the door panel unfortunately to get to it, but stay with us, we'll cover all the steps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe guys, let's grow that channel together and stay with us now. Okay guys, so first thing that we will need to do right here, there is a cover that we'll need to remove. Okay, like that, and underneath it there is a screw, and also this cover right here, need to remove that one, and this one tends to be pretty tight sometimes. Okay, you just pull it out like that. Now there is those two screws that we need to take care of. Okay, one on top behind the door handle cover that we just removed, and after that we'll need to go ahead and start on this one here in the hole. You can see quite a few videos on that Mazda on our channel guys, and many more to come. Don't forget to check out World Mechanics, our main fun channel there. We have videos that relate to any car. Okay, we need to pry the door handle out of there. Okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect the wire for the central locking. Okay, right here. We can just pull the panel now. Okay, you're going to grab with your hands. There is a couple clips. Okay, you start pulling on it just straight towards you, and after that you need to remove that little cover for the mirror there. Okay, just like that. And once we remove the door panel, we'll show you where exactly all the clips are, so you know what to expect. Okay, and now next thing that we'll need to do, we'll need to feed the door handle through the door panel there. Okay, just like that, we need to disconnect all the wires that we have here. Once we disconnect them, we'll show exactly how they work, that piece. Okay, you press here down and you pull. That's how all of them are. Okay, this one as well. And that's for the master window switch there. And sometimes they can be stuck pretty good there. Okay, just like that. So the door panel is out of there now. And let us show you where all the clips are now. Okay, you can see one is missing right here. So we need to go ahead and remove this one and install it on the panel before we put it together later. Okay, and one there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. Okay guys, and once you remove the door panel, now you can actually remove the door handle. Otherwise it will be really inconvenient without removing the panel. Okay, you need to pry the cables out. Okay, like that, and then you need to lift it up. Okay, you can see how it goes like that. Now we're working on the second one. It just comes in an angle. Okay, and it comes out. And this is guys the inner door handle on Mazda CX-7. Pretty simple to replace, not very complicated. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.